Ask Elnella. So if you have questions,
Yes, just tweet away and we'll try to answer you.
Ano na yung mga questions?
Guys, quiet!
isa pa lang.
So far, isa pa lang yung sagot namin and it's about
Guys!
kung anong gagawin namin. If we spent the whole day together, anong gagawin namin?
Ano sagot niyo?
Well, she wanted something na gawin namin talaga. And
What's our
it's
favorite thing to do ba, di ba?
kain lang ng kain. So we're going to have like a buffet vacation.
Yes, exactly.
Sige. What are the other questions? Go lang.
Sige. Okay, this one is from Pulang Kumot ng Tiempo. What do you guys feel about being travel buddies since you've been together na sa Japan, London, and then next is gonna be New York? I think I just get to know, aside from getting to know the place more, kasi first time ko in London, and then now it's gonna be my first time in New York. It's also my time to get to know Jay.
I think traveling is even better with good company.
Simple. Go lang.
Wait, let me answer this now.
Go. Ay, habang nagsasagot siya, Elmo, Janela, hi ka naman sa mga tao na nanonood. Born for you every day.
Hi guys! Hi sa lahat na nanonood ng Born for You, mga ka-Red String. Thank you for your support. I would just like to express my happiness dahil minahal niyo ang Samvin and sana abangan niyo pa ang Born for You kasi marami pa kayong aabangan na mangyayari na boom. Boom, ano yun? Boom. Pasabog.
Elmo,
Well, sorry.
for you, anong message sa lahat ng mga nanonood?
Oh, to everyone who supports Born for You, maraming salamat at we hope that you keep supporting and sana talagang nagugustuhan nyo pa rin yung pagtakbo ng show namin and sana makilala nyo pa ng gusto si Kevin at Sam at ang mangyayari sa buhay nila, sa kwento nila at sa kwento ng Red String of Fate. Thank you so much to the Born for You family.